Hey guys, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Hoping you're all doing well. So today I am going to show you how to make these golden, succulent, juicy oven baked honey wings. Guys, I am so excited to share this recipe with you because I know you are going to love it just as much as I did when I made it. So stay with me and let's get started. So you're firstly going to need some chicken wings. I have cleaned mine and I use salt, water and lemon. And I've also cut it into two. I've got my flat and my drumette. Next, I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken wings. Also guys, feel free to season your chicken wings using your preferred seasonings of choice. Once I have added all my seasonings, I am mixing everything very well to ensure that the chicken wings is well covered and coated in the seasonings. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cover my wings, place it in the refrigerator and allow the wings to marinate overnight. If you don't have enough time, you can allow your wings to marinate for at least 2 hours in your refrigerator. The next day, I took my wings out of the refrigerator and then to a baking tray, I am just spraying it with sunflower oil. If you don't have sunflower oil, you can literally use normal oil and just glaze your baking tray. Next, I'm placing the wings on my baking tray ready for the oven. At this point, I am also preheating my oven at 200 degrees. And as you can see, I have placed all my wings on my baking tray, so it's ready to go in my preheated oven at 200 degrees and bake the wings for 1 hour. Now 40 minutes into cooking, I did take the wings out of the oven. This is just to allow me to flip the wings over and allow the opposite side to also bake really nicely. Then once I have finished flipping all the wings over, I'm going to put the wings back in the oven and allow it to finish off cooking, which will take an additional 20 minutes, making the cooking process 1 hour. And after an hour of baking these wings in the oven, guys, look how beautiful they look. So now what I'm doing is I am squeezing lots and lots of honey on my wings, and then next I'm just going to be using a brush to brush all the honey around it to ensure that the wings is well coated in the honey. At this point, just feel free to add as much or as little honey as you prefer. Then put it back in the oven just for 2 minutes. And guys, the wings are ready. Look at how beautiful they look. My goodness, look at the golden color, and this chicken wings is actually nice and juicy on the inside as well. So at this point, I am removing the wings from my baking tray and I'm just placing it in a bowl. And then next, what I'm going to do is I am going to garnish my wings with some fresh parsley, and these wings will be ready to be devoured. And now time to add my fresh parsley. And guys, I am telling you, I could not wait to enjoy these wings. It was so good. Look at these bad boys. As always, thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Enjoy your wings, and I'll see you next time. Bye.